For democracy, it's very important that people vote. If people do not vote and take part in voting, then democracy suffers.
This is particularly an urban problem because in the villages you're actually doing pretty well. We were using a system which was a rural-based system when India was a rural country. A few thousand people in a village, so you'd have the local tehsildar read out the names and say, okay, who's moved out, who's moved in, and they'd make the corrections right there. Urban registration had a lot of urban mobility, people coming in and out. The process of registration is very, very tedious. We found that a lot of the voters couldn't actually vote come election day, and that was because their names were not on the registration list. The Election Commission of India and Janagraha have partnered to say, let's create the entire process flows.
When I went through the list, I saw so many Misters were named as Miss and so many Miss were named as Mrs.
How do we ensure that we manage the list? Do we do it on an annual basis? Do we do it on a regular basis? And then how do you actually make sure that the processes are in place to do that? The proper urban electoral roll system that we have created is going to be piloted now. Once we finish the piloting, that's when the Election Commission of India will take it and scale it across urban India to ensure that urban electoral rolls are properly managed and every citizen who is a voter is actually franchised.
The voter database is anywhere between 60 to 70% correct. Once we create a database that is up to date and that is maintainable to be up to date, then I believe that more and more people will participate in our election system. We will bring a huge difference in the quality of governance in urban India.